Are you ready for week 4, our final week of our scavenger hunt right here in Cheyenne? We are. Hi, I'm Stephanie Prescott.
And I'm Christine Goodman at REMAX Capital Properties. We are sold on our community and the people who make it the best place to live.
We'd like to tell you how to enter to win your chance to spin the wheel for cash prizes at REMAX.
All you have to do is find at least one of our 6 billboards in town with the Sold on Our Community banner, highlighting local heroes.
Look for the billboards featuring teachers, medical workers, firefighters, deputy sheriffs, REMAX military veterans, and 2021 high school seniors. Take a selfie with the billboard and post it to our Facebook or Instagram pages using the hashtag #SoldOnOurCommunity. Prior to real estate, Christine served the community as a dental assistant. Thank you for your service, Christine. We have been giving away $2,000 in cash over the last few weeks to our community. You still have a chance to enter this week.
Thank you for the trust you place in us to serve you with your real estate needs.